Alright, welcome everyone. Just going to teach you guys how to calibrate a CTM 3600 printer. So right now we're just rewinding the labels so that the ribbon is the only thing present under the media sensor. Line it up. Make sure that red dot is only seeing ribbon and no labels. And then seal everything back up, make sure your platen roller is kept. And then you're going to look at your HMI. You're going to go into settings all the way over to media and ribbon. You're going to press the plus sign, enter your password, and hit calibrate. Go plus sign 3 times. You're going to see the red dot light up on the media sensor. And you're going to hit continue. Hit the plus sign again. It's going to start feeding the label. So you peel off your labels. Make sure you get a couple. I usually feed a couple extra, and you should be good.